Hi YouTube. Today we're going to have a look at how we will be installing the front strut bar onto the Perodua Ativa. Strut bar or strut brace, as the name suggests, is a metal or aluminum bar that connects to the two strut towers under your hood that holds the front suspension, tying the struts together, which reduces chassis flex and body roll, thus making it work harmoniously as one. Strut bars are used to increase the rigidity of a car when you are cornering or hitting a bump. Since it increases the rigidity of your car, it becomes a little more predictable, giving you a little more handling so that there is no flex in your chassis when you hit a bump or going around that hard corner. Without the strut bar, one side of the suspension takes more load, hence it becomes unbalanced. It also reduces the wear and tear on other vehicles' components and distributes the wear evenly. Hence, it is a little friendlier on your wallet for the long run. The installation doesn't take too long. It's just as simple as bolting it onto the towers. Most it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.